going on, you guys? Back at it, looking at the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard, and just gonna talk about some of the ammunition that I've noticed that this particular one likes and dislikes. Let me go ahead and just let you know. We'll safety check it. There is a loaded chamber indicator. If you see that shininess, that's actually a round in it. So the round, the gun is cleared now. But I went to the range a ton of times with this pistol. I'm gonna do a review on it. It's an awesome everyday carry, very small. It is a 380, but very easy to shoot. There's a few rounds that it doesn't like that I've experienced, and I have a video of shooting some of those rounds just to show you the type of issues that I was having. Now, as far as range ammo, it has done really good with Remington, also with Blazer brass, but I did pick up some PMC as well as Fiachi ammo. Those are two brands that are supposed to be very high quality, good ammo, but it had a ton of issues with it. So, you know, with my personal opinion, I would not recommend shooting either one of those. You can, but you're probably just gonna get frustrated with all the issues that you experience with them. With the Blazer brass and Remington green box 115 grain full metal jacket for range ammo, that stuff shoots awesome, flawless, no issues. Also for self-defense right now, is this got critical defense in these guys, and ran some boxes of that, had no issues either. But I just want to show you the video of me shooting the PMC. I was going to videotape Fiachi, but I really don't like to run ammo that I know doesn't work through any gun that I have, you know, just to show. But I figured I'd show you know, what it was doing. So here you go. Two clips, PMC Bronze 380 out of Bodyguard. Double feed. Bodyguard hates PMC. Show you. Bodyguard hates the PMC ammo. Good range ammo, I guess. Hate anything that makes my gun not cycle well. But definitely not good. Not good for that. Guys, so there you have it. You know, you've seen the range report and the issues I was having with the PMC ammo. These are the two ammos that I was talking about that don't run very well. Oh, don't mind that little guy. That's coming soon. Got a review for the world's smallest pistol that shoots production-made ammo. So this stuff did horribly. Both of them, both the Fiachi as well as the PMC. This Fiachi, I mean, just looking at it, it's got a weird crimp on it. You know, height-wise, both of these are kind of comparable. Here goes the self-defense. So, you know, I mean, there is sometimes what I've noticed, a difference in heights. Maybe they're not regulating the quality control too well. But either way, you know, in my opinion, the Bodyguard, which is an awesome pistol, it just hates these two. So in my opinion, for range ammo, stay away from those two brands. You know, like I said, Blazer Brass is awesome, and Remington's been pretty good for me too. I mean, I'm sure Winchester White Box will be all right. I've come to notice that that's kind of dirty ammo, and it just dirties up the works. But other than that, this is an awesome pistol. And just so you guys know, I'll be posting a review on this compact 380, as well as a review for this guy. This is the NAA Mini Revolver 22 long rifle. So thanks again, guys. And as always, like, subscribe, comment, tell your friends. Thanks.